Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to open an account on the Bitunix exchange. When we open the review of crypto exchanges on the TradingFinder website, we select Bitunix and click on the Go to Website option, which takes us to the main page of the Bitunix exchange. From the Sign Up section, the account registration page opens for us by entering an email address that we haven't previously used to register and a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and by clicking on the option indicating that you accept all the terms and conditions of the Bitunix exchange, you proceed. If you have a referral code, you can enter it in this section. Otherwise, you can get a referral code from our support team and then click on the Sign Up option. Activate the I am not a robot option, and as you can see, a page will open informing you that a code has been sent to verify the email address you registered with. Open the inbox of the email address you used to register. As you can see, we have received the email. Copy the code from this section and paste it here. Your account has been successfully created on the Bitunix exchange website, and you are now on the Bitunix exchange dashboard. In upcoming videos, we will go through the process of identity verification and document upload on this exchange step by step together. Wishing you success and profitable trades.